Hello friends, my name is Subrata Nandi. I am starting with the Java tutorial. Now, what is Java? Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is a high level, robust, secured, and object oriented programming language. There are four main features of Java. First one is the class. Second one is the interface. Third one is the enum. Fourth fourth one is the annotation. Class and interface was started in Java 1 and enum and annotation was started in Java 5. Now we will see what is class. Class is a group of objects which have common properties. Common properties. A class contains fields, methods, constructors, blocks, nested class, and interface. Now we will download Java. Java 8 download. Then go to Java 8 kit, first one. Then if you have Linux, then Linux download. If you have Windows, then download this folder. After the download, then install it, and after the installation go to that folder where we have installed. I have installed in program C program files Java. Then go to JRE, the latest version you have downloaded, and then go to the bin. Then in the bin, just copy the path. After copying the path, just go to this PC and then go to properties. In properties, go to advanced system settings and environment variables. In the system variable, just go to path and then edit and just select new and just paste it here and then press OK. I have just pasted first here, so I will not again paste it. Then OK, then again OK. The path is set. Now we will write a program of Hello World in Java. And you go to Notepad or Notepad++, write class, your name, or any name you want to give. Then Subrata. then write public, the main part, static void main string args, then system.out dot print ln. It will print in a new line. Then hello world. Then just file, save as, in desktop, write your name, subrata.java. Then just save it. When the program is saved, just close this and see that their program has been saved. Open it, the program has been saved. You have to now compile the program. Just open the command prompt and then change the directory, because I've set the path, the folder file in the desktop. I will change the directory to desktop. Then I will write javac subrata.java and enter. Then you will see that a subrata.class file has been generated, and you have to, means it is compiled and it is right, program is correct, and you have to just run it. You have to write it Java. Your class name is Subrata. You have to write that name only. Subrata. Just enter. Then you can see the hello world. Hello world is printed here. Now you can name another. You can change this. You can print your name also, like system dot out print ln. Then file, save. Then again go to command prompt, change the desktop. Then again you have to then again you have to write the same thing, javac subrata java. Then you have to write java. Then you can see that it is the hello world is printing and the Subrata Nandi is printing. Thank you for watching this video.